Welcome back to the news on Mr. TN Channel. Today we're seeing a little bit of development in the tropics near Bermuda, which is how it relates to our weather across Europe. The big storms within a larger system will move in as we move through the week, but as you're tracking this area near Bermuda, this is in Newfoundland, so as you get into the Atlantic part of Canada, this is going to be heading towards Europe. But with that said, in about 24 hours, it's actually going to dissipate and attach itself to another system. You can see here a small chance for this to become a named system, which would be the first system of the Atlantic Basin. But there's only a short window for that, really about 12 hours for that to happen before it moves into the colder waters. Then you'll barely see anything by the time we get into tomorrow. This is the next system, and it's just absorbed into that. So a short period of time where that area develops. If it develops into a subtropical storm, the first names in the Atlantic Basin season are Andrea, Barry, Chantal, Dexter. Then Karen, Lorenzo, Melissa, Tanya, Van, Wendy, to mention the names for the upcoming hurricane season, which we're in right now. We'll see some more storms in stronger spots today, but especially over the weekend, with a larger system moving in. We've been tracking some showers around Scotland today, Norway, Sweden. We've seen some showers like that. You've seen some rain extending down into parts of Denmark. We've seen some rain near Copenhagen. Then we come back up here, Czech Republic. You could see some areas of heavier rain. Watch those rains move through, even some thunderstorms. As I've been building this, I've been tracking this line of storms coming out of France, moving towards Switzerland and northern Italy. So in just the next few hours, Turin, then Milan, we could see some stronger storms breaking out in northern Italy, moving across parts of Switzerland. So keep an eye on some storms. Then you see some showers like Brussels, then back into Germany, see some of those scattered showers. This is what I've been showing you today, tracking those storms that are breaking out, that are moving towards Austria and parts of northern Italy, some storms coming up in southern France, and then maybe or maybe not across parts of Spain. Towards Ireland and the UK, because we're going to see some showers coming in as we move into tomorrow. This system near Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, toward Finland continues to move forward, bringing some storms to parts of Russia and Ukraine. There may or may not be storms in northern parts of Spain. Then as we move into Wednesday, keep an eye on this. You see some rain moving into Northern Ireland and Ireland as we move into Wednesday. That means it's going to bring some really big storms. Germany, Poland, keep an eye on Austria and northern Italy again. This area right here, some strong to severe storms are possible as this system collides with the high temperatures. A lot of energy. This is going to be a serious weather threat. We're going to keep an eye on this all week long. There could be significant hail in some of those storms later this week. Now let's go back and take a closer look here as we head towards Ireland, Northern Ireland. As we head into tonight, we'll see some passing showers, and you'll see them tonight and tomorrow morning. Some of those showers will pass over Scotland. We could see a few towards England. So you'll see on Wednesday some rain starting to move into Galway. And then let's see what happens on Thursday. This larger vortex is active with a higher chance of rain late Wednesday into Thursday. There are storms that are building up, you see, even near Amsterdam, Brussels, turning back towards Hamburg, some larger storms. Copenhagen, as I mentioned, when the vortex is active and just sees areas of rain filtering in around the British Isles, this is hit or miss here with some thunderstorms that could happen. But you do see some parts of Austria, for example, northern Italy. We could have some quick 25 to 50 millimeters of rain with some thunderstorms. Scattered showers, so anywhere from Poland to Latvia, Estonia, Finland, Sweden, Norway, we'll see some areas of maybe 50 millimeters of rain as that rotation is going to be going on for the next couple of days. And this is the tail end of the storm system. Let's check you out towards Slovakia, Austria. That's where we could have some heavy rain, and then look at Ukraine and Russia as this moves east. By tomorrow, we could see some thunderstorms dropping 75 millimeters of rain in some spots. As the next system approaches, you can see how the seas are going to shape up this weekend. As we head into Thursday and Friday, the Atlantic waters are definitely going to be higher. The next larger system that's moving back in is going to bring us strong to severe storms. So you see a small chance of showers moving through London over the next couple of days, tonight and tomorrow morning. We could have a few showers in Birmingham, just with that first little area
a few showers are likely. The chances are better as we head towards Glasgow, where we're looking at around a 30 to 40% chance, particularly tonight into the first half of tomorrow. Then you see that chance of showers developing into scattered showers early tomorrow morning, particularly towards Dublin. But as we head into Wednesday, the next system that's coming in is scattered showers around Rome and Vatican City, but very much that 40% chance that I've shown you. The storms track that towards the turn and then back into Austria. We'll see the chance of storms increase over the next couple of hours, particularly as we head into the sunset today, so keep an eye on that over the next few hours, isolated in the wild in Berlin. But the rain chances will increase later this week. Keep an eye on that change, bringing us some scattered showers, as I showed you in parts of Munich over the weekend. By Thursday, we'll be looking at storm chances. The rain chances are still very limited in Paris as we head towards Oslo. Over the next few days, we'll have that change, some showers before that, and that includes Stockholm. You see tomorrow that 70% chance of rain will continue to fall into Wednesday, in the 70% chance of rain tomorrow, even into Wednesday as we head towards Helsinki and much of Finland. Brussels has been tracking some rain that happened today. We'll see rain again on Thursday as we head towards Amsterdam. We could be cut off by some of those showers over the next few hours. Same thing back to Copenhagen, the center of that storm system just to the north, but that's bringing us some showers, even some thunderstorms around Copenhagen, mostly to the east. At the moment, Athens has isolated showers across all of Greece, watching for a wildfire threat over the next few days. Belgrade has a 20% chance of storms tomorrow, isolated around Madrid. Rain chances aren't too high. Barcelona is about 20%, even back to Valencia, about a 20 to 30% chance of showers. Showers are 10 to 20% chance through Lisbon. We'll be going over Iceland with that next system. That rain chance will remain high throughout next week. Vienna is watching for storms, especially as we get towards the end of the week. Prague is watching some storms nearby, watching for a few more strong storms over the next few hours. There's a 20% chance of rain in Budapest. You see by Wednesday it's starting to build up around parts of Poland and Warsaw. Tomorrow we'll see a 50% chance of storms, with only a 10% chance back in Istanbul. Then Moscow, where the chance of rain and storms will increase as that storm system moves east. Right now, many of us are in a big, hot, and humid area, but the next big storm system is coming.
Thank you for watching Mr. Tian's News. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Share the video to everyone to know how to prevent.